what I usually recommend, and I might get criticism from some colleagues for that, is
What are you going to tell them, Leonard?
if you want to get published, if you want to have success early on, it is much easier to do N+1 studies. So you look at last year's proceedings, you look at last year's journal issues, and you look at some of the stuff that they've mentioned in future work, because there's usually a future work section at the very end where they say, this opens up the field to do this research. And then you collect these and you do the obvious next step. You already have the methodology there because it's in that last experiment, and you're doing the obvious next step. So what if we added X to this experiment? So now we're having a research question that just kind of advances it a little bit. It's, it's not really revolutionizing science, but the likelihood of that being accepted, because it's very familiar to the reviewers, it's familiar to the community, is just much, much higher. So if you're looking at optimizing publication success, unfortunately, these N+1s, these small incremental studies, are extremely successful in a lot of fields, like specifically in HCI.